Hello guys and welcome back to Shopify theme development tutorial. My name is Rahul and I'm here to continue on Shopify theme development. Today I'm going to talk about list collections. So basically what is list collections? Uh, it lists the number of collections which are available, not number but even the image and all the collections which are there in the backend. So just for an example, this is a demo store which I've created. So we have two collections over here, and these two collections would be visible like this. Okay, so these are the collections which would be visible. It's just very similar to what we have over here. So that's our main goal, to show the collections. And in this we have the collections object, which we can again use as a parameter to access the collections. So let's see, we have the collection object. So you can access the collection objects to display the collections, list of collections. So yes. So what we can do over here is, to get the collections, we can use this for loop. Let's go to the backend and open up the for loop. So let me close up all other stuff which is open, so that we can just simply focus on the one which we require. So we'll save it, and then let's work on templates. And we have this collections list collections.json. It calls the main lists collections. All right, so we go to main list collections, which is a section again. So main list collection, and in here I'm just gonna delete everything over here, so that we can start from scratch to get the parameters. So we have this for loop which shows the collection. So with this collection we have a collection object. Now the collection object over here, we can go through this collection object. So we have this collection dot title. So again, it is this thing we would be accessing. So we can access collection dot title, collection dot url, and so on. So let's see, collection dot title, right? And we can put it in a p tag, not a p tag, h1 tag, so that it's in the h1 tag. So then we have collection URL. We can get the URL also. So just to give you what is the URL, so let's see what is the URL. Collection dot URL. Save it, and with that saved, we have to go to collections. We have this collections 2, and then front page collection. So I have this collection 2 and the home page, which is the one which we have over here. And let's see if we have actually need to go to the backend of this. So go to the backend and let's go to the themes, and then I'll see the collections which are present over here. So we have collections. One is collection 2 and the second one is home page. The URL for this collection is, we can see the URL is collections 2, right? And for the home page is the one which is specified over here, that is front page. So we have access to the collection object, we can get the images and so on. So let's see what else we can do. If you want to change the order, then you can build a menu to the host of collections in your desired order. Okay, well, we can build a collection. So again, this thing is in creation of linked list, that is menu creation, which I'll be discussing in a separate module. For now, we have a collection object which we can use, so we can access the collection image also over here. So let's see if we want to access the collection image. So collection dot image, what we get over here should be nothing, because we don't have an image over here. We'll just put some image just to show it over here. Save it, and then for home page we'll put a separate image, and we'll see, we'll put some other image maybe. So we'll just put this image, or maybe this image, any other image like this image for now, just for now. So we have this collections, and we have this collections dot download image and collections dot image. We can wrap this in an image URL img tag to get the image URL tag, save it. Okay, so not this one, because that's, we get this image, and again, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and yeah, I think so you'll be able to figure it out. We can design it the way we want. We have these parameters, we have this title, we can what else we can get, actually collection dot count, maybe how many products are available, collections dot product count, for example. So we can access this if we want to show the collections dot product count. So we save it, and we'll be able to access the count of products which would be available. So at the moment we don't have any product in this collection, but we do have a product in the homepage collection. So that's how it's working, pretty simple, and I think so you might be able to figure it out how to use this list collection template. So that's all for today. I hope you were able to understand this. I'm gonna work on another module, the page module, in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time.